Good morning, America. Welcome to our first active USA. Here's a breaking news from UK. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson on Thursday hit out at anti-vaccine groups who spread mumbo jumbo on social media, but ruled out the UK, following some European countries in making COVID-19 vaccination a mandatory legal requirement. Speaking during a visit to a vaccination center in Northampton, England, Johnson said the UK will maintain a voluntary approach to its vaccination program as opposed to coherent curd. However, he condemned anti-vaxxers for spreading complete nonsense and urged people to take up their booster doses to protect against the surging Omicron variant. That means anti-vaxxers are totally wrong, and I think it is time that the government, call them out on what they are doing, Johnson told reporter. It is absolutely wrong. It is totally counterproductive, and the stuff they are putting out on social media is completely mumbo jumbo. You have not heard me say that before, because I think it is important we have a voluntary approach in this country, and we are going to keep a voluntary approach, he said. Italy, the latest country to make vaccination compulsory for some, with all over 50s now being told to have a jab. Earlier, Austria was among the first country to make vaccination a legal requirement. Johnson said while Omicron is a milder than previous variants, the pressures on hospitals are clear. He pointed out that the National Health Services was under huge pressure at the moment, and that it was a tragedy that some people were refusing what would keep them safe and out of hospital. What a tragedy that we have got all this pressure on the NHS, all the difficulties that our doctors and nurses are experiencing, and we have got people out there spouting complete nonsense about vaccination, he said. The saddest word in the English language are too late. When you are in ICU and you have not been vaccinated, sadly it is too late to get vaccinated, to get boosted now, he added. NHS England announced that around 90% of over 50s have now received their third top-up booster dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, and that millions of appointments remain available for anyone yet to get boosted. It is brilliant to see so many people getting the vital top-up dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, with 90% of those eligible aged 50 and over now boosted, and more than 29 million boosters given in total, said Dr. Emily Lawson, head of the NHS COVID-19 vaccination program. Vaccination gives the best protection for you and your loved ones against coronavirus. So, if you are eligible, please get boosted now, she said. Meanwhile, the government hopes that the peak of the Omicron variant wave will be hit quite soon after the UK recorded over 190,000 daily infections. The requirement for the confirmatory PCR test to follow a positive lateral flow test conducted on a home testing kit has been scrapped in an attempt to relieve some of the pressures on testing laboratories, and also to address staff absences by containing self-isolation for milder cases to 7 days. Behind the report for Shakti USA.